Everything went smoothly as planned.
So you know where Jerome is?
I don't know. But that does not mean I will not know in a few days.
And how will you know?
He will call me to arrange the review.
So you have his number then?
I don't. He will call me.
We have too many loose ends.
It is in the nature of this game that we don't rush things.
Yes. Yes, I personally made the deposit on the wedding dress, and you can keep the money. Keep the money. The wedding has been cancelled.
And what are your plans concerning her case?
It's obvious. We need to bring Mpombo to book.
That has always been a tall order. Mpombo is very well connected. He's an untouchable, you know.
In this country, no one is above the law, Mr. Chongo. No one.
That is what they always say.
Sir, what do you want from me?
I need you to help me with certain information.
Well, sir, I don't want to work for you.
What is your name?
I won't tell you.
Mama Lute in the village is my mother.
Leave my grandmother out of this.
You are Micah Mchelek.
So what?
You're my son. I can't afford to lose you again. So as your father, I forbid you from fighting the Grandmaster.
No ways. What I have with the Grandmaster is a stick-by-life thing.
Stop it!
I'm a scorpion. I was created to sting.
How much to let him be?
Nothing. What I have with Mike, it is a stick-by-life thing. Only death will do us part.